Hey traders, welcome back to the Technical Trader. In today's video, I am giving away something incredibly valuable, a complete trading journal template which is designed for our traders who want to track, learn and grow. And the best part about it, it's absolutely free. Yes, this is a giveaway from my side. So let's start with a trading journal. Let's be honest, winning or losing is just a part of the game. But what separates a professional trader from a beginner is a documentation and a discipline. That's where this trading journal comes in. It helps you to track every trades with a full clarity, understand what strategy is actually working, avoid repetitive mistakes, and improve your win rate over a period of time. So let's break down this free template that you can start using right after this video. Here is the structure of the trading journal. So first is a serial number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Then entry date, date on which you enter a particular trade. And the stock name, name of the stock in which you enter a trade. Then your trade type, whether it's a swing trade, whether it's your intraday trade or a positional trade. Then your position, whether the particular trade in which you enter, whether it's a long trade or a short trade, that is your position. And the most important thing is the strategy followed or the reason for your entry, whether it's your breakout with volume trade, like what is the reason why you enter a particular trade, whether it's a breakout with volume or support zone buying or a trend line breakout. So could be any reason or any strategy. Thereafter, your exit date, date on which you exit a particular trade. So here is a entry date and here is a exit date. And the most important details is of your trade is like important details like quantity, stop loss, entry price, exit price. So these data points will give you the capital use, profit and loss, and the percentage of return. And the best part about this is the all the three data points, that is capital use, profit and loss, and the percentage of return is automatically calculated in this template. And in the profit and loss, you can see the green is your profitable trade and the red is your loss making trade. And this green and red, it is automatically presented as per your data point. So if your trade is profitable, it is shown in a green graph, and if it is a loss making trade, in a red graph. And the last two important item is a chart link and a remarks. So all this you can see here is the link which I have pasted from a trading view. So basically it's a chart link. Now you know how to paste this chart link from a trading view to this template. Let me show you. So if you can see here in a trading view, so basically this is a chart of Anand Rathi, and what you have to do is simply go here. You have to just copy link, and this link you have to paste it in the template. So now the most important thing is how to use this particular template. So here I have provided all the relevant details, important steps about how to use this particular template. First is the trade data updated in the template is for sample purpose. You can delete that and update your own trade details. Gray details can't be edited. This particular gray details are formula based and they can't be edited. You can update the 500 rows in one tab. Once they are done, you can copy paste the template tab and start a new one. Share it with the fellow traders if it helps them to learn more about the technical analysis and price action trading. Check out the link below. So traders, if you are serious about your growth, this journal is for you. It's free, it's powerful, and it's built by a trader for traders. Download it now. Link is in the description. And if you are wondering how to use it, watch the full tutorial right here on the channel. If this video is helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the Technical Trader, and comment below if you want a live walkthrough of how I review my trades using this exact sheet. Until next time, trade smart, stay consistent, and never stop learning. See you in the next video.